All right, welcome back. So, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Brandon Jordan. I work here at Parkside Kia, one of the veteran salesmen here. Got two Stingers. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the Stinger. This came out in 2018. It has been absolutely crushing its competition. This is Peter Schreier's legacy vehicle. Peter Schreier, former Porsche engineer, was the current lead engineer at Audi when Kia brought him over and gave him all the research and development to make these two beautiful cars here. Now, two most important things. Take a step back. This is your 6-cylinder, 3.3 liter twin turbo. Notice here on the sides, you can tell that it's a 6-cylinder by the red Brembo brakes there. But if we walk over to this one, which this is the 4-cylinder, all right, 6 is 369 horsepower, 376 feet-pound of torque. This one's going to come with the 2.5 turbocharged motor. Also has the 4-piston red brake calipers from Brembo, because this is the Apex edition in the 4-cylinder. It's the only way that you can get those Brembo brakes in this model. So we'll do a quick walk around just so that you can see the vehicle. And by the way, this is the last year that they're making this vehicle. 2024 is going to be the end. That's going to be it. Kia is going to be done with it. I know. Breaks my heart too. But if you're in the market, if you've ever been in the market, now's the time to go ahead and come on by Parkside Kia and get one. Take a look inside here. Take a quick look in the back, quick look in the front. You'll notice it's got the carbon fiber. I'll buy the gear shifter everywhere like that. Over here in the 6-cylinder, it's got the red interior. 6-cylinder comes standard with the heads-up display, heated and ventilated seats, surround view camera. You hit your turn signal, it shows you what's in your blind spot, so as you're cruising through the highway, you don't have to worry about running people over in their vehicles, because you can see them. Anyways, come on this way. Inside, you're going to see the gear shifter is going to be the biggest difference here between these two models. You can tell that the 4-cylinder has got a T-shaped style gear shifter, whereas this one's got that little knob that you use to move. The actual steering column itself is motorized instead of manually operated. In the back here, you've got you just got heated seats, but each one of these Stingers are tri-zone, so you can be whatever you want. Your partner in the front can be whatever temperature they want, and then anyone riding in the back can be whatever they want. Also, the biggest thing about this being a true GT model is if you look at where you're going to be sitting, Kia has you directly in the middle of this vehicle. So when you're sitting down in your seat and taking turns at the speed limit, you're completely in the middle of the car. That's why it has such a long nose and the iconic GT back that opens up as a hatch, which I'll show you here. This really is a modern day marvel. For the money that you pay and everything that you get in this vehicle, there's no better vehicle on the market that's going to be considered as a sports sedan. And when you go to insure it, it doesn't actually insure as a vehicle that can do 0 to 60 in 4.6, 4.7 seconds, because it has this 5-door. It's considered a hatchback. But if you have any questions, direct them at me. Call me, Brandon Jordan at Parkside Kia, 865-444-1257. As always, have a blessed day. Thank you.